Facebook page unpublished, how to get it back. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can get back your unpublished Facebook page. Well, the process itself is actually a bit simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, what you can do is open up Facebook and head into the page that has been disabled. So I'll just switch to a page here. If your Facebook page is disabled, if you head into your Facebook page, it should show up the error that your Facebook page has been disabled and it is hidden. What you can do is you'll get the option to review it right on your profile. You can tap on it, and once you tap on it, it should take you to the prompt, to the page where you can review the decision that your page was hidden or unpublished. You can review the decision. Simply tap on review and then go ahead and send out the review. You'll have to create a ticket, and once you do so, it should take up to 48 hours to review the decision, and you should be able to get back your Facebook page published. So this is how you can fix the issue. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.